Okay, good morning, all of you. This is the part 12. In this part 12, we are going to learn the functions of thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine. Okay, thyroxine increases. There is more probability for giving bit from this thyroid gland because most of the students confuse here. They get confused for hypothyroidism, hypothyroidism. Okay, functions. First one, it increases BMR, basal metabolic rate. What is BMR? The amount of O2 consumed or utilized by the body for unit weight at rest. When our body is at rest, per unit weight of the body, for example, if you take 100 grams of body tissue, how much oxygen that tissue is utilizing for 100 grams for at rest. 100 gram of tissue in our body at rest, how much oxygen it is utilizing. Okay, this, for example, if you start doing exercise, your that 100 grams of tissue consume muscle tissues, okay, starts consuming more that means your BMR increases when you do exercise. When you stop exercise, again your BMR comes back. Okay, who increase BMR, basal metabolic rate is increased by the this hormone. Next one, it also, when your cells are BMR increase, that means they are utilizing more oxygen, that means O2 consumption increases. When they are utilizing more oxygen, they are producing more ATP. When there is ATP is producing, respiration is at the time, heat also produce, heat production also increases. This hormone it also maintains the body temperature. It increases the body temperature like melatonin. I told you here in the melatonin raise the body temperature. This is about melatonin. Okay, it raises the body temperature. This hormone also raising the body temperature like melatonin. It is also called, very important point not given in our books. It is called calorigenic hormone. Calorigenic hormone. It regulates the metabolism of CPL, carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Okay, it regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins, and lipids, and it regulates menstrual cycle. It regulates menstrual cycle. You learned menstrual cycle here also in the melatonin. Regulate menstrual cycle here also menstrual cycle. Okay, you learned 2 points common in these two. Okay, next one, melatonin. Melatonin balance, it maintains balance of salt and water. Okay, thyroxine hormone, it maintains balance of salts and water, electrolytes and water, very important point. And development and maturation of central nervous system, CNS. Okay, that is the reason why if this hormone is not there, thyroxine hormone, there will be mental retardation. The child will be mentally retarded, cretinism. Okay, for the development and maturation of our brain and spinal cord, central nervous system, it is important. It increases erythropoiesis. Okay, you learned earlier. Okay, erythropoietin, cortisol, thyroxine, testosterone, these all are involved in very important one. Okay, note down this point. Okay, increase erythropoiesis. For example, when a person goes to higher altitudes like Mount Everest, okay, Mount Abu. Okay, at that time in the higher altitudes you learn mountain sickness. The person develops mountain sickness or altitude sickness. Okay, at that time our kidney in those hypoxic conditions, low oxygen conditions, our kidney responds to that. Our kidney produces one hormone called erythropoietin. JG cells produce erythropoietin. JG cells also produce renin, RENIN, and cortisol. Thyroxine is produced thyroid gland, cortisol by adrenal cortex, testosterone by testis, erythropoietin by kidney. These all are involved in erythropoiesis. They increase erythropoiesis. Okay, very important this point. Next, what are the abnormalities of thyroid gland? Okay, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. Okay, hyperthyroidism, exophthalmic goiter, or Graves' disease, very important. It was asked in previous NEET papers. Okay, exophthalmic goiter or Graves' disease. It is an autoimmune disorder. Okay, one autoimmune disorders are very important for NEET exam. One bit was asked in 2 or 3 years back. I cannot remember exactly. One autoimmune disorder. Psoriasis is autoimmune disorder. Next one, rheumatoid arthritis autoimmune disorder. Next one, myasthenia gravis is autoimmune disorder. Graves disease also a autoimmune disorder. There are many autoimmune disorders. Next one, protrusion of eyes due to the accumulation of water in the eye orbits. Okay, why there is a exo means out, ophthalmize, eyes protrude. Protrusion of eyes due to accumulation of water in the eye orbit sockets. Increase of heartbeat, increase of temperature. Okay, earlier we learnt thyroxine increases earlier you learnt in the regulation of cardiac cycle. Heart rate, thyroxine can increase the heart rate, adrenaline can increase the heart rate, and sympathetic nervous system can increase the heart rate. Noradrenaline also can increase the heart rate. Okay, next one, it increases the temperature as well. Okay, this exophthalmic hyperthyroidism, exophthalmic goiter, otherwise Graves disease. It is one of the autoimmune disorders, and protrusion of eyes due to the accumulation of water in the eye orbit, and increase in heart rate and increase in temperature. Now come to this one, hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism here, cretinism, children lo cretinism, adults lo simple goiter, and endemic goiter, and next one, myxedema. Cretinism. Okay, thyroid dwarf. Okay, thyroid, this child hypothyroidism వల్ల వచ్చిన ఈ problem we call thyroid dwarf. Here we learn pituitary dwarf. Short stature, mentally retarded, low IQ. This bit was also asked in the mock test paper. Sexually sterile person, but in pituitary low. Okay, normal IQ, sexually okay, normal. Here sexually sterile person due to iodine deficiency in the pregnant woman. Cretinism. That child is called who is suffering from that cretinism. That child is called cretin. What do we call him? Cretin. A simple goiter, enlargement of thyroid gland due to the deficiency of iodine. Enlargement of thyroid gland due to the deficiency of iodine. Next one, endemic goiter, goiter in a local area. Endemic disease, pandemic disease. This corona COVID-19 is a pandemic. Endemic means restricted to one particular area. Okay, in some areas where in the ground iodine is very low, in their diet also iodine would be low. That would lead to goiter in that particular people where the particular area where iodine is deficient, especially in the mountain regions. Endemic goiter in the local area. Okay, myxedema. Okay, more weight gaining. Okay, you might have heard some people thyroid problem వల్ల weight పెరిగిపోతున్నారని. ఓకే, myxedema, more weight gaining, puffiness, face అంతా కూడా బాగా ఉబ్బినట్టుగా ఉన్న puffiness, accumulation of fluid in the face and the limbs, that is called edema. Okay, myxedema. Dry skin, lethargy, that means they are not very energetic. Intolerant to cold, mental impairment, these are the symptoms of myxedema. Okay, that's okay. Next one, that's about hypothyroidism. Some part we covered that. Next, another problems related to hypothyroidism are Hashington's disease. It was given in previous exam NEET papers. It is also autoimmune disorder. Antibodies damage the thyroid gland. Next one, hypothyroidism causes irregular menstrual cycles in women. Our next gland is parathyroid gland.